Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Pivot Boss pre-market video for October 11th, 2019. Happy Friday, everyone. I am Frank Ochoa, aka Pivot Boss. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. In the previous session, we had a pretty bullish outside day that developed here. You can see this candle is pretty significant here. This outside day occurs when, at least in my definition, when you have a low that is below the previous low and then a close that is above the previous high. That is a very strong indication of strength here and of a likely continuation, especially if price can get through that 2960 zone, which has now done already this morning. So we've had a strong follow through in overnight and pre-market trading. We're now holding above the 2965 level here in the near term, and again, if price can continue to hold 2960 today, that could open up much more upside here that could return price back toward recent highs. So this is a pretty strong start here. Obviously, any failure to hold 2960 by the end of the day could be significant in terms of creating a tail after a failed breakout. So right now, very strong move here. It wouldn't surprise me here to see more strength here as we head back toward perhaps the previous month's close and previous month's high here, or current month's high and previous month's close. That's right in this zone here. So overall, this market appears to be strong here after yesterday's day, and if we can continue to see strength above 2960, this opens up more upside toward 3000 over the course of the next couple of days. If we take a look at the NQ, you'll see very similar price action, an outside day in the previous session. Again, very bullish overnight move, after hours move, then an overnight move, and then culminated with a strong close just below the 7800 level. Price is now through 7800 and retesting the FOMC key level here from May. That's the May FOMC key level that price has mainly stayed below since late September. We're now right back at it. Again, 7800 is going to be the key level to watch in this one. If there's any failure to hold 7800 today, that could be again indicative of a developing tail and perhaps a bit of a rotation back down. But right now, everything is focused to the upside with a potential push back toward 8K. If we take a look at crude oil, this one is up 1.3% today. The previous session also ended up with a very bullish outside day as well, a rejection of these lows and then a close above the previous session's high. That's very strong. We talked about 53s being important yesterday, and if we can push through 53s, it could open up a breakthrough 54. Any push through 54 could open up a move of about 2 to 3 handles where this thing could go up toward 56 to 57. Right now we have pulled back a little bit from the highs, but as long as price stays above 54, more upside is likely to be seen in the near term. A failure to hold above 54 would open up a likely rotation back down. So watch 54 today. If we take a look at crude oil, this one, rather gold futures is down today. We're testing 1490 right now. 1490 has been the key level that we've been watching. It's a clear LVN right here in the chart that comes right across these lows here. We did get below it, hit 1465 and bounced quickly, but price was not able to negotiate through that 1525 level, and 1525 remains a major area of resistance. A bearish outside day for gold, so the opposite of what we saw in the broader market. A bearish outside day down, a retest here and go today. And again, this suggests that we could be looking at a retest of these lows. Again, we continue to see a rounded behavior here, but gold on the longer term remains very bullish. So even if we do come down here and test these lows, it wouldn't surprise if we did bounce right back up. So right now, looking to push below 1490. If price stays below 1490, more near-term weakness. If there's a close above 1490, perhaps a bounce occurs. So 1490 continues to be the key level to watch there. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out the rest of the session. Good luck. Trade well. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.